Shift from the ordinary into something extraordinary. The future of footwear. Presenting Shipwear. If it's on a digital screen, you can get it on this sneaker. Have you been waiting for the day you can do this with your shoes? That's how we felt about the sneaker game, so we did something about it. Design it, coordinate it, rock it, share it, sell it. The curved electronic surface of Shiftwear's sneakers lights up with colors, pictures, and animations you choose. When you like what you see, tap to select, and instantly, the design is right there on your shoes. Connect to a real-time design marketplace featuring the hottest designers and animators. Choose awesome color masterpieces or animated designs that complete your outfit. The shoes are built with flexible HD displays that are visible in daylight. The eco-friendly batteries charge up with every step you take. They're waterproof and completely machine washable, with durable Kevlar fiber-coated soles that stand up to the streets. Got a design? Put it out to the world with the same app you use to change the look of your shoes. If you can design it, you and anyone you know can wear it. Sell your designs and keep the cash. Get seen and heard. Join others and take the sneaker game to places it's never been. Before, shoes were as good as their brand. Now, they're as alive and relevant as you make them. Change designs as easily as you change your phone's wallpaper or ringtone. Dictate what you wear and customize your own unique look with endless designs and colors in motion, limited only by the human imagination.
For ages, the dog has been man's best friend. We want to introduce you to man's new best friend. Meet Chip. Chip is a robotic dog that's much more than just a cool gadget. Chip is an interactive pet that's there to greet you at the door. With the smart band, Chip recognizes who his owner is.
Hey, have you seen my other slipper? Have you seen my other slipper?
And shows affection to them when near. Chip is obedient and can follow commands. But he also learns new things, so you can teach him tricks. And the smarter Chip becomes, the more badges he earns. When you like what you see, just press the like button on the band, which can encourage him to behave. Or be a little mischievous. Your choices change Chip's behavior and shapes his personality, so that no two Chips are ever alike. Chip is a connected experience. He has a translator. What is it, Chip? So you can understand his thoughts. He comes with his own smart ball, so you can play fetch and stay active together. He also has sensors, so you can maneuver around obstacles with ease. And with the mobile app, you can feed Chip, which shows you care. And that's important, because when you're in need, no matter it big or small, he's there for you. With his beacon sense technology, Chip is fully aware of his surroundings.
Seriously, no one's seen it? This is like the 5th time.
He even knows how to return to his bed when it's time for a charge, so he never runs out of energy. Chip is a smart device. Chip is a robot. Chip is a dog. But most importantly, Chip is a friend. The best kind.
We are all in love with smartphones and tablets. While you get the hottest phone, the number one tech problem remains: weak battery life. Introducing U-Speedy, the first charging cable that not only doubles your charging speed, but also maximizes battery life with healthier, longer-lasting charges. Featuring LED indicator, magnetic ends, durable exterior, and the right length. Our devices get smarter each year, but the charger still gets messy. It breaks, and it slowly kills the precious battery with heat and mini-cycles. So, experts warn us, don't leave your fully charged phone plugged in. Lithium-ion batteries can overheat when charged for too long. Samsung says, unplug once charge is complete. And Apple tells us, remove certain cases during charging. But we can't always follow them, can we? That's why we created U-Speedy. Once fully charged, U-Speedy cuts off the power completely, so you don't have to unplug, removing battery damages overnight and extending battery life the next day. When you finish syncing, simply touch the button to switch into Smart and Fast mode. Now U-Speedy charges your phone twice as fast, cutting your charging time in half. Store U-Speedy using its magnetic ends next to your bed, in your car, on your desk, behind your desktop. Each U-Speedy cable comes with a durable and colorful braided exterior, so no more frayed or tangled cords. It is Apple M5 certified, and we back it with a lifetime warranty.
What if you could turn back time and relive the best memories of your life? Like, see your daughter's first steps again. Watch your son's first baseball hit again. Or simply experience the best family vacation you've ever had again. Meet Teleport, an entirely new way to capture and relive the best memories of your life through the power of virtual reality technology. To capture those special moments, simply plug the Teleport camera in your phone and start shooting instantly. It's that easy. Teleport camera has two lenses that work the same way our eyes see the world. It captures everything you see in 3D. To relive those memories you've captured, simply put the Teleport headset on. You'll feel as though you're actually there and experience those unforgettable living memories again. So clearly that the same emotions you felt in the past are felt again. Memory is one of the most beautiful creations in life. It's one of those thin strings that hold you and the people you love together through the good and the bad times. Save your best memories, treasure them, and relive them.